Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you don't see me in any car out there, you see me sitting on the staircase. The reason for this is we've got so many kids just running about everywhere, and just thought this is probably the only quietest place in the house where I can actually quickly do a video. You might have seen on my Instagram, comes up around here somewhere, where I've kind of put something out saying that there's going to be a new vibe to the channel. Now the vibe that I'm talking about is 4-minute Wednesdays. The 4-minute Wednesday is a concept that I've just come up with, and it's going to be me uploading a video talking about cars that we've heard in, say, the press or anything, and giving my kind of opinions. It could be things that we talk about, what to do to your car if you're thinking about modifying it, and giving my opinion now. That's a concept that I've come up with, and it's something that I'm going to drive through my channel. Don't worry guys, we are still going to be covering like cars, when I'm out there driving them and doing like reviews and having a bit of fun. That's all going to still continue. This is just on top of that, just to kind of break things up a bit. So yeah guys, I'm quite excited about this new kind of vibe. I hope you guys are too. Join me on Wednesday. This is just an introduction, but join me on Wednesday where my first kind of discussion is going to be about the new BMW M130iX. It's a car that's all over the press at the moment, and especially like people like myself who drive an M140i. There's loads of people that, it's a YouTube's favourite car out there at the moment. So yeah, we're going to open the discussion on Wednesday where we're going to be talking about the M130iX, and it's all going to be all about that car. So hopefully guys, I'll see you on Wednesday. Take care, cheers, bye.